Hello YouTube, this is Scott Naismith. I'm back with another video just before my exhibition Order and Chaos. You were just watching the drone footage before I started painting the Wallace Monument with the river that runs past it. That's in Bridge of Allan. It's just near Stirling. Then you can just see Stirling Castle on the right hand side of this one. The three that I'm uploading to YouTube just now before this show are more analytical in their drawing before the painting starts. Not something I usually do, and you might think that the concepts involved in the abstraction of order and chaos and much of the painting style refers to order and chaos themes. But also you can find order and chaos within the landscape itself, in the literal parts of what we see, and that's incorporated in the sort of contrast between the regimented straight fields and hedges created by man versus nature's chaotic movement of the river through the landscape. And I really like that as a theme, and it certainly was something that was prevalent in all the work for the show. Maybe less so in the third of this little series of three. The first of them was the Glenfinnan Viaduct, and that was certainly a kind of pathway of order through the chaos of nature. You can have a look at that if you missed it. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye.